Diamonds have captivated humans for centuries. These precious stones have been a symbol of wealth, power, and beauty throughout history. From ancient civilizations to modern times, diamonds have always held a special place in human culture. Their brilliance and fire inspire awe and wonder. The way they catch and reflect light is nothing short of magical, creating a mesmerizing dance of colors that has fascinated people for generations. Diamonds are a symbol of love, purity, and enduring strength. They are often chosen to mark significant life events, such as engagements and anniversaries, representing a bond that is meant to last forever. Their journey from the Earth's depths to a dazzling piece of jewelry is a testament to the power of nature and human ingenuity. The process of mining, cutting, and polishing a diamond is a complex and meticulous one, requiring skill and precision. But have you ever wondered where diamonds come from? These gems are not just beautiful, they have a fascinating origin story that begins deep within the Earth. How are these precious stones formed deep within our planet? The formation of diamonds is a process that takes billions of years, involving extreme conditions of heat and pressure. The journey of a diamond begins billions of years ago, deep within the Earth, under conditions of immense heat and pressure. These conditions cause carbon atoms to crystallize, forming the beautiful diamonds we see today. Let's embark on an adventure to uncover the fascinating story of diamonds, from their fiery origins to their coveted place in our world. We will explore the science behind their formation, the artistry involved in transforming them into stunning pieces of jewelry, and the cultural significance they hold across different societies. Diamonds are born deep within the Earth's mantle, a layer of molten rock far beneath the Earth's crust. Imagine a place where temperatures soar and pressure is unimaginable. It is in this extreme environment, about 150 kilometers below the surface, that diamonds are formed. Diamonds are made of pure carbon. Under the intense heat and pressure of the Earth's mantle, carbon atoms bond together in a unique, incredibly strong structure. This structure gives diamonds their renowned hardness, making them the hardest natural substance known to man. Diamonds would remain hidden deep within the Earth if it weren't for volcanic eruptions. These eruptions act as a conduit, bringing diamonds closer to the surface. Imagine molten rock, called magma, rising from the Earth's mantle through volcanic pipes. This magma, called kimberlite magma, carries diamonds along with it on its upward journey. Kimberlite eruptions were most common millions, even billions of years ago. These eruptions were incredibly powerful, creating the kimberlite pipes that miners now excavate in search of diamonds. Today, diamonds are mined using various techniques, with open-pit mining being one of the most common. Imagine a massive open hole in the ground, sometimes hundreds of meters deep. That's an open-pit diamond mine. Miners create these vast pits to access diamond-bearing kimberlite rock. Heavy machinery and explosives are used to break up the kimberlite rock. The rock is then transported to processing plants where diamonds are extracted. Open-pit mining is used when diamonds are relatively close to the surface. Section 5. Delving deep underground diamond mining. When diamonds are located much deeper within the Earth, underground mining is necessary. Imagine a network of tunnels and shafts extending deep into the Earth's crust. That's an underground diamond mine. Miners work in challenging conditions, extracting diamond-bearing rock from the Earth's depths. Underground mining is more complex and expensive than open-pit mining. However, it allows us to access diamonds that would otherwise remain buried and hidden from view. Section 6. From rock to riches, the extraction process. The journey of a diamond from deep within the Earth to a sparkling gem in a jewelry store is a fascinating one. Once the kimberlite rock is mined, it undergoes a multi-step process to extract the diamonds. This process is both intricate and labor-intensive, requiring advanced technology and skilled labor. First, the rock is crushed into smaller pieces. This is done using heavy machinery designed to handle the tough kimberlite rock. After crushing, the material is screened to separate different sizes of particles, ensuring that the process is efficient and effective. Then, advanced techniques like X-ray fluorescence and grease belts come into play. X-ray fluorescence helps in identifying the presence of diamonds by detecting their unique properties. Grease belts, on the other hand, take advantage of the fact that diamonds are hydrophobic and will stick to grease while the waste rock does not. This unique property of diamonds sticking to grease is crucial in the separation process. The waste rock, which does not stick to the grease, is discarded, leaving behind the valuable diamonds. Skilled workers operate the grease belts, ensuring that the diamonds are efficiently separated from the rest of the mined material. This step is vital to maximize the yield of diamonds from the mined kimberlite. Finally, the rough diamonds are meticulously cleaned to remove any remaining impurities. They are then sorted and graded by skilled professionals who assess their quality based on various factors such as size, color, and clarity. This grading process determines the value of each diamond, setting the stage for its journey into the world of fine jewelry. Section 7. A heavy footprint, the environmental impact. Diamond mining, while essential for bringing these precious stones to the market, has environmental consequences. Mining operations can disturb large areas of land, leading to habitat loss and soil erosion. The use of heavy machinery and explosives can also contribute to air and water pollution. Responsible diamond mining companies are committed to minimizing their environmental impact. They implement practices to reduce waste, conserve water, and restore mined areas. Section 8. A diamond's legacy, ethical considerations. The diamond industry is also grappling with ethical concerns such as conflict diamonds and worker exploitation. Conflict diamonds, also known as blood diamonds, are mined in war zones and used to finance armed groups. It's crucial to ensure that the diamonds we buy are ethically sourced and do not contribute to human suffering. Consumers are increasingly demanding transparency and traceability in the diamond supply chain. They want to know that the diamonds they purchase are conflict-free and that miners are treated fairly. Section 9. Beyond mining, lab-grown diamonds. In recent years, lab-grown diamonds have emerged as an alternative to mined diamonds. These diamonds are created in laboratories using advanced technological processes that replicate the conditions under which diamonds form naturally. Lab-grown diamonds are chemically identical to mined diamonds, possessing the same brilliance, fire, and hardness. Lab-grown diamonds offer a sustainable and ethical choice for consumers. They eliminate the environmental and social concerns associated with traditional diamond mining. Section 10. The future of sparkle, sustainability, and innovation. The diamond industry is constantly evolving to meet the demands of a changing world. Sustainability is at the forefront of these changes, with mining companies adopting more environmentally responsible practices. Consumers are also playing a role by demanding ethically sourced diamonds and considering lab-grown alternatives. Innovation continues to shape the industry, with advancements in diamond cutting and polishing techniques enhancing the brilliance and fire of these precious stones. The future of diamonds is bright, driven by a commitment to ethical sourcing, environmental responsibility, and technological advancements. Section 11. A journey of billions of years, from Earth's depths to your fingertips. The journey of a diamond, from its formation billions of years ago to its place in a cherished piece of jewelry, is an epic tale of time, pressure, and transformation. These precious stones begin their existence deep within the Earth's mantle, subjected to intense heat and pressure that cause carbon atoms to crystallize into diamonds. Over millions of years, volcanic activity propels these rough diamonds closer to the Earth's surface, where they await discovery. These sparkling wonders, born deep within the Earth and brought to the surface through volcanic eruptions, represent enduring beauty and strength. Each diamond's journey is unique, shaped by the geological conditions it encounters. Once unearthed, these rough stones undergo a meticulous process of cutting and polishing, transforming them into the brilliant gems we admire. The skill and precision required to reveal a diamond's true beauty are a testament to human craftsmanship and ingenuity. As we marvel at the brilliance and fire of a diamond, let us also appreciate the forces of nature that created it and the human ingenuity that brought it to light. The journey from a rough stone to a polished gem involves numerous steps, each contributing to the final product's allure. From the initial extraction to the careful inspection, sorting, and cutting, every stage is crucial in ensuring the diamond's quality and brilliance. The journey of a diamond is a testament to the interconnectedness of our planet and the enduring allure of these precious stones. It reminds us of the incredible natural processes that occur beneath our feet and the remarkable human efforts that bring these treasures to light. Whether set in an engagement ring, a necklace, or any other piece of jewelry, Each diamond carries with it a story of ancient origins and modern craftsmanship, connecting us to the Earth's deep history and the artistry of those who shape its gifts.